It's been 3 years and 3 months since the doors first opened to the COVID-19 field hospital here at the Baltimore Convention Center. On this day, the unveiling of an art exhibit in honor of healthcare workers. Parts of the convention center became a 250-bed hospital and later a COVID testing site and vaccination hub for state residents. But now on a wall in the lobby of the convention center's Pratt Street entrance is a different story being told, with art prepared by almost 24 Baltimore area students.
It's just so amazing to see it actually physical. I remember watching people work in all the specific pieces, so it's like, oh, I know she did that piece and he did that piece.
It really commemorates kind of the experience that we all went through as a community, the struggle and how we had to come together to really fight through it.
As part of the Art with a Heart program, students used hand-cut tiles, recycled face shields, and gloves to form hexagonal shapes, along with 1,495 clay beads, representing the number of patients served by the field hospital.
This is just a small piece of it because there's so much more work that people have done. So the fact that we can come together as a community and do something like this is just really amazing.
From the beginning, like when we started designing it, everything was about how can we make sure we're appreciating all the people that contribute to the field hospital.
It was the proudest of moments for healthcare workers who served on the front lines during the pandemic.
I see the vials and I see like all the medical equipment, and it's just like, just being part of this very unique experience. Like I never thought that in my healthcare career I was going to be doing like nursing on a convention center.
It was also an historical healthcare moment for the hospitals which took part in the COVID-19 project.
As I looked at set and looked at that artwork, I want us to just remember, number one, the lives that was lost, the lives we touched, and the difference we made in the community that we serve.
None of us could have ever imagined to have such an impactful, permanent reminder of the challenge we faced, and not just what we accomplished, but how we went about accomplishing it.
This art exhibit has the potential of catching the eyes of more than 500,000 people a year who will walk through these doors. At the Baltimore Convention Center, Tim Tootin, WBAL, TV 11 News.